everybody, welcome back to another Vlogmas video, and today's video is gonna be very interesting. Before we get into the video though, go on and head on over to my Instagram. The handle is right here. Every day all the way up until Christmas Eve, I am going to be opening my advent calendar. So if you want to see what I got today, go ahead and click on my Instagram handle and go ahead and give your girl a follow, please. So in today's video, I am going to be recreating a 70s Christmas. Now hear me out. So I would have spoken to my parents, I would have talked to them and everything, and we were just reminiscing. And for them, the 70s was like a really, I guess, a time where they have a lot of fond memories from Christmas. They would have had like a lot of different traditions and things like that, which we don't have anymore. So I thought it would have been really interesting to recreate some aspects of Christmas in the 70s. Let's let this truck pass. So the first thing that we are gonna do is obviously outfit. So let me just show you what I have in terms of an outfit. Okay, so this is the outfit right here. We're starting in the top, which is an afro wig, you already know. I also have a white kind of crop top. I have like some blue and white palazzo pants, and then all the way at the bottom I have, you may not be able to see, but these are like some platform heels right there. So this is going to be our 70s look. Okay, so the first tradition that we are going to do is hang greeting cards. So this is exactly what my father is doing here. He is just attaching a piece of string from one side of the wall to the other side, and then we are gonna write some greeting cards to each other and hang them.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin.
Alright everybody, so we are outside. Here's Jared and here's Wayno. My parents are inside. We all dressed 70s theme, and we are outside because we are gonna do one of the traditions, which is putting marl outside. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna be the video before or after this, but the marl is to mimic snow, since we don't have snow here in Barbados. So the marl was the best thing that we had in the 70s to mimic snow. So
but it can get kind of cold in December, so
cool for here, I guess. So cool, my father is just looking for a container to put the marl into, and then we're just gonna sprinkle it outside, and then we have another fun activity to do.
okay, I won't be black.
Alright, so as you can see, Daddy is opening the bag.
And I'm
taking pictures. Jared's here. My mother was taking pictures. I think I was the only person that wasn't taking pictures. Wait, no.
For once?
For once. But we're gonna take some.
I wasn't taking pictures.
We're gonna take some. Somebody else says it. Alright, 10 years later, we are now done. Let me show you what we did.
You mean 89 decades later.
As you can see. So that is part snow, and here is Jared, my wonderful helper.
Koyman.
And
dirt from Koyman. Dirt from Koyman.
Jared, you're ruining my vibe. So it was taking a while with that shovel, so we ended up
Skinning the town.
skinning out the bag. So yeah. Anyway, now to the probably most fun part.
Candy apples! I did it! I spoiled it!
You can tell, and somebody's dog is barking. Is annoying. Anyway, let's go and make these candy apples. Alright, so we are in the kitchen now. Bueno. And of course, my Booksy.
Yeah!
And Mommy and Daddy abandoned us. But we are here to make
Candy apples!
candy apples. So let me start talking. I found a recipe. It looked pretty easy. So let us see
Okay.
what you need. Jared? Wait, what? Where is the recipe?
Whoa.
Okay, I found it. So we're gonna have this recipe. Or maybe we're gonna do...
You can't come here.
Maybe we're gonna do a third because this recipe has 12 apples, and say we're gonna just do 4. So we're gonna use some math and the phone as a calculator and divide these measurements. So we have some apples, we got some sugar, let me just show you.
And some jelly.
We got some red delicious apples. I hate these apples, by the way. I don't know how to say red delicious. They just don't taste good to me. We got some sugar, granulated sugar. We got some dowels, which we're gonna use as the popsicle sticks or lollipop sticks. And we also need, okay, hold on a minute, Bootsy. We also need light corn syrup, water, red food coloring, and da-da-da, handy thermometer. Now I saw the method where people were saying you can use cold water to try to estimate the temperature, but I was like, I don't want to even play because I want to make sure that I get this thing right. So I committed and I bought a candy thermometer. So yeah, let me get the rest of the ingredients and we get to making these candy apples. So ingredients: 2.5 tablespoons of corn syrup. Tablespoon? Yeah.
I need some sugar. Baby?
This does not have quarters on it.
I don't have thirds either.
I'm gonna have to estimate.
1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I know it's probably looking like a hot greasy mess, but we just put that is the sugar, water, and light corn syrup into the pan to boil. I already boiled the water, as you may have seen. Well, no, boiled water and vinegar, and that's supposed to remove the wax which apparently comes on apples and might prevent the sugar from sticking. So hopefully that little thing worked just now. But we're boiling the water, light corn syrup, and sugar. We're gonna stick the candy thermometer in, add the food dye, and then dip the apples, which is the favorite part. But I think in the meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and stick the dowels or whatever into the apples. Alright, I think that's good. All the way through. Perfect. We may gotta cut these though, cause this maybe what I want.
Like an apple. It's like
No, you do it from the top.
But that's the bottom guy down.
You do it with the apple facing up. Oh wait, maybe not. Did it remove the? Oh no, maybe not. Whoops. You gotta remove the stem.
Remove this.
The stem ain't even coming out. So you probably can't see, but there is a blue line. Yeah, I know you can't see. There is a blue line on the thermometer, and it is at 200 degrees, no, 2 something degrees Fahrenheit, but it has to go all the way to 300, I believe. I said degrees Fahrenheit, but I assume this is Celsius. No, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Right. Yeah. Alright. Still looking like a grease ball. 10 years later. We are still looking.
89 years later.
I really hope that
She's looking at
that looking at the right thing is a blue line that I believe is going up.
I think it's the red line though.
But no, it can be red line. There's a blue line, but slowly but surely it's getting up to 300, I think.
Oh, let me look.
Yeah, my sister gonna look because I don't trust myself, but they definitely don't trust Jared. So in that time, this does not look like. Well, no.
No?
This does not. This whole thing.
And the whisper challenge all over again.
What is this? What is this? I look like a grease ball.
Take 2.
I love it.
No, mommy, not yet.
You guys, what's the good thing you're selling things, boy?
This one looks more
You
like
got
that.
it.
I'm excited for Halloween.
I know. Stick some sprinkles on it, and they look good.
Cake apple.
I know, but that one, that there.
Take 1.
I don't know if I could take it out now. Let's
Maybe,
see if it,
yeah. And it should dry.
yeah.
Take 2.
Oh.
Fair enough, whatever.
Y'all, is it too? Yeah. Alright, y'all. So this has been a fail. Yeah. So let me explain what happened. So did one apple. It was dipped it. It was so thick. I was like, alright, got add more water, add more corn syrup. Try that. Yeah, and I was too runny. I think it is like taffy. I think it's like taffy. So let me show you the disaster. So
It is a failure.
this is the first one that we did, and these are the next 3.
These are failures, total failures. We did a failure. Wait.
We tried. That's the important part. We tried. So
Yeah, at least we tried, right?
yeah, we did. So you know, it is what it is. I still gonna try them, but these definitely not the candy apples.
That we were hoping for.
Yeah. Alright, so we have the apple. And yeah. Y'all, this is sticky. This is not even hard. This is sticky. Let's see. Tastes good. But it's sticky. It's not hard.
I want to try.
Try this one.
Okay, so. Okay, I'll try one. I will try.
Okay, let's get you on camera. Jared, I got you to hold the stick. Bite it. Jared, you're biting at the apple.
It's stuck to my teeth.
Well, these people, these prisons eating donuts for 68 people.
So this actually tastes good, but as I said, this is sticky. It is not hard.
I can barely get it off of my teeth.
Alright, so let me close out this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this video, even though the ending was a fail, which was this candy apple, hard candy apple.
Okay,
But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. If you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for another video tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow.